What's up, Supercell ES fans? Supercell ES here, and I got this at the thrift store, as you may have seen. Cost $5. Second radio I got at the thrift store, actually third. First was a Midland WR100, second was a Reecom, just like this one. Alright, let's see what's inside. So, in here, sorry, I'm holding the thing with one hand. So, here, we have the radio right here, and it looks just like the last one. Got the price tag on it. And that's basically it. So, I'm going to go ahead and try to find a AC cable for it. Or I could just use batteries on it as well. So, try to see which batteries work on it for now. But yeah, that's basically it. Unlike my other Reecom, this one actually has a working antenna. So, that's actually pretty cool. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and find a DC cable, try to plug it in, and yeah, this radio right here is going to stay at my dad's house in Minnesota, where I filmed some of the severe thunderstorm watches on my channel. But anyways, that's basically it.